How's it going, everyone? My name is Josh. I am CorradoKid90 on YouTube, and today we're working on a shitty Chevy. So what we got going on here? Might lose it. So we're doing the water pump, which is under here. I already took off the motor mount, the breather box, all of that. Breather box. Yeah. Got a piece of the motor mount. And the other piece of the motor mount. Then we got a nice brand new water pump. It's all shiny, super shiny. So yeah, this is what I've been doing lately here, guys, is working on a 2016 Chevy Cruze instead of my nice, 1990 Corrado. She's good. This one sucks. Don't buy a Chevy. Just don't do it. It's not a good idea. Alright guys, so there it is. Water pump's off. Gotta finish scraping all the old gasket, sealant and everything. Got her off though. A lot of work. Just for a water pump. Here's the old pump. Pretty nasty looking. It seems to still be working though, so I don't know if this is going to fix the issue or not, but hopefully it'll fix the leaking issue. And to show off my new tool chest. I love it. Yeah, and I'm a little worried about this bolt that came out. It's pretty milky looking, and she's leaking a lot of oil. So we'll see. So there it is, all cleaned up, ready to get a new gasket and a new water pump. It's the best the side of this motor has looked in a long time. Pretty nasty looking for 2016. Don't buy Chevy. So there we are, guys. We got it all back together. She's running. She's got a new belt, new water pump, nice shiny new water pump. Just did thermostat housing and thermostat a couple weekends ago. Hopefully this fixes the issue. It does have a timing chain cover leak. Cleaned it all up down there though. Still got to put all the plastic shielding back on. But, and that click, I guess there's a little plastic piece up there in the valve train that's famous for clicking, so that's what the clicking is. Hopefully this fixes the issue. Hopefully I'm done working on a shitty Chevy for a while. Everyone have a good one. See you next video.